Scrolling through social media, you've probably seen it. A colorful, crunchy bowl of, well, what is that? They're calling it human kibble, and it's the latest no-cook food trend taking over the internet. The idea is simple. Mix a bunch of your favorite bite-sized snacks into a bowl and call it a meal. It's fast, it's easy, and you don't have to touch a stove. But with experts weighing in, a big question has emerged. Is this a genius meal hack or just a glorified bowl of trail mix? Let's break it down. Human kibble usually consists of a base like cereal or granola, mixed with things like nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and often something sweet like chocolate chips or mini cookies. The appeal is obvious. It's the ultimate convenience food. But here's where experts are raising a red flag. Let's look at the first major problem: nutritional imbalance. While it might seem like you're getting variety, these bowls are often incredibly high in calories, added sugar, and unhealthy fats. And at the same time, they're seriously lacking in two key things that make a meal: protein and fiber. Without enough protein and fiber, you won't feel full for long. So that meal you just ate might leave you feeling hungry again in an hour, leading to more snacking. And let's talk about the sugar. Many of the go-to ingredients, like sweetened cereals, chocolate, and even some dried fruits, are packed with added sugar. This can cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar, followed by the dreaded energy crash, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Ultimately, experts say this trend is missing entire food groups. A balanced meal should ideally include a lean protein, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and most importantly, fresh vegetables. Human kibble checks maybe one or two of those boxes, but leaves the rest empty. So, does this mean you have to banish the bowl forever? Not necessarily. Think of it as a snack, not a meal. And if you are going to make it, you can give it a major nutritional upgrade. First, focus on whole foods. Swap sweetened cereals for plain oats or whole grain options. Second, go easy on the sweets and use strict portion control. It's easy to overeat. And finally, to make it more of a complete meal, pair it with a real source of protein, like a scoop of Greek yogurt, and add a side of fresh fruit or veggies. So the verdict is in. While human kibble is a fun, convenient snack and customizable, it's not a sustainable or healthy meal replacement. It's a treat when you're in a pinch, not a foundation for your diet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more health and nutrition truths. Stay healthy.